Hello everyone, my name is Mangesh Jadhav. I am from Team Aero Generator. We took simple vertical axis wind turbine and made it more than 50% efficient. Background and problem statement. It is beyond doubt that current energy trend and unreasonable use of resources are putting planet in danger. The demand of energy is increasing day by day. Also, the non-renewable sources of energy are depleting and there is a need of using more and more renewable ways to generate energy. Around the world, researchers are investigating new, cheaper, and more reliable energy sources. Solar and wind, being at the center of clean energy innovation, are seeing maximum research and development. Wind energy is cheap, inexhaustible, and readily available, so we choose wind energy to generate electricity. As vertical axis wind turbine is simple in construction and gives an appreciable output, the blade design plays an important role in the enhancement of power and its durability. The optimization of blade design curvature to get maximum power output by generating more dynamic pressure for lift, thus generating more torque with the reduction in drag. So the challenges was the reduction in turbulence, unwanted drag, and the optimization of blade design. The objective of our project is to design and check the feasibility of the blade model by calculating pressure difference for lift, turbulence intensity, positive and negative torque. The motive is to design and optimize the blade of turbine using virtual engineering methods and testing the prototype. Solution. Our exclusive solution is the improved efficiency of vertical axis wind turbine. Even we have tried to resolve the complexity of the design, we have changed the angle of attack by optimizing blade curvature to reduce turbulence. Along with that, use of recycled plastic and biofiber will make the turbine lighter, stronger and durable. Such material selection will reduce the manufacturing costs. This material can be recycled, reprocessed, and reused again and again by reducing carbon footprints. Innovation. The proposed blade design comprises some angle of flexure with multi-aerodynamic curvatures, which will reduce the drag and will help to get lift with maximum torque. As electrical energy from the wind is a commodity and it can be sold in the market, so the revenue can be generated from selling the electricity according to the government norms. Revenue can also be generated by direct sales, renting, or leasing. Even it can also be generated with the help of power purchase agreements. Customer value proposition. We have taken some demographic surveys to get feedback, and luckily we have received positive response as people are willing to invest in green energy products, and which will in turn will facilitate them to reduce their cost of power consumption and can give them a status of green energy user. Along with that, people are looking for product which requires very less or negligible maintenance, which our turbine can provide them. For large commercial model, with the improved efficiency more than 50%, our turbine will attract customers like farm owners, carbon credit firms, private renewable energy firms for on-site energy needs as well as to sell or transmit energy over electric grid. Our consumers will be the people who will get electricity at a reduced rate as compared to current market rate. We have developed a blade design by changing the angle of attack. The gradual change in angle of attack makes proposed turbine rotate efficiently while reducing negative torque. The blade design is developed in such a way that it helps to reduce the drag offered and generate more torque. Also, using manufacturing materials such as recycled plastic and biofiber will make it lighter, which will further improve the efficiency and will save more energy. We have made a prototype of metal sheets and tested it in different locations. For environmental condition testing, we tested the turbine on the roof of the apartment. Along with that, for lab condition, we tested it in closed room using blower. And we have successfully charged a battery of cell phone with the help of turbine. Market potential. Global market of wind turbine was valued at $8,100 million in 2016 to reach $1,400 million in 2023, with anticipated CAGR of 7.2% from 2017 to 2023. When it comes to Indian wind market, India alone shares 35.14% of wind generation, which accounts for 870 crore. If we target only 10% of total potential power generation capacity, we can get 30.2 gigawatt of electricity and generate revenue if we sell electricity directly to government at particular rate gives us revenue of 87 crore total profit after 4 years of investment. So, the primary investment include prototyping, workspace, transportation, testing, and miscellaneous. The roadmap can be described as manufacturing of complete prototype, alpha testing under environmental condition, validation to arrange turbine in a specific pattern, feedback from local customers, second party integration with horizontal axis wind turbine companies to install aerogenerator, and finally, final product launch. Thank you.